Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to change WeChat language in few minutes, step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change WeChat language in a few minutes, step-by-step guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WeChat account. So just like so, this is my WeChat account. I'm going to click on it. Having opened up your WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on language. Then right here, you are going to see variety language. You can simply scroll down and choose your preferred language display right here on WeChat. So basically, this is how to change your WeChat language in a few minutes, step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.